Do you want a smooth, radiant, glowy, and an even skin tone, free of knuckles, green veins, stretch mark, and hyperpigmentation? Or are you planning for a very important event and you need your skin to be on point within a very short period of time? Then this video is for you guys, because on this video I'm going to be sharing affordable products that you can incorporate into your skincare routine. Affordable and effective products that are going to help you tackle any form of skin concern that you're battling with, whether you are a dry skin person or you're sensitive skin or you have a combination skin or you have oily skin. The products I'm about to show you guys is for all skin types. This particular routine is just for the body. I'll be making a different video for the face routine. So if this sounds like something that you're interested in, guys, you want to watch this video to the end. Before we dive into it, please kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel for more skincare tips if you are yet to. I will also advise that you watch this video to the end, because after listing the products, I'm going to be giving you guys body lotions, bar soap, shower gel, and scrub, and also sunscreen. And I'm also going to be teaching you guys how you can use these products in order to see results. So without taking much of your time, let us go straight into it. So starting with the cleansing products, guys. Of course, every skincare routine begins at the bathroom, right? Every skincare routine begins at the shower, right? So we're going to be starting with the cleansers and the bar soap. So for our cleansing routine, that's our shower routine, I have two products for you guys. You're going to be getting this Dove Purely Pampering Moisturizing Body Wash, and you're going to be getting this Koji Sand Soap. Guys, make sure you get the original one. This particular Dove comes in 500 ml and also 750 ml. This particular one is the big size, the 750 ml. If you cannot afford the big size, you can go with the small size. In the other hand is this Koji Sand Bar Soap. Guys, make sure you're getting the original one, okay? The original one is sold for 5,000 to 6,000 naira. So these are the first set of products you're going to be getting. Now, the next products you're going to be getting is, of course, we need very good body lotions. I have two options for you guys, which is this Garnier Vitamin C body lotion and this Eliza Light Glutathione body lotion. I'm having two options here with me, so that in case if you cannot afford this, you can go for this. If you're caramel to light skin, you can go ahead and use this, okay? But this particular one, a dark skin person cannot use it. It's preferable for people that want to lighten their skin very, very well. It is affordable. This particular one is sold for as low as 3,500 naira to 4,000 naira. But the Garnier Vitamin C body lotion, you can get it for 12,000 naira or 11,000 naira, depending on where you're buying from. Now, you can either get this or this. Like I said earlier, this is a vitamin C body lotion. It's going to help to brighten your skin, and it contains UV filters that's going to help to protect you from the harmful ray of the sun. This particular one, in the other hand, the Eliza Light Glutathione body lotion, which contains glutathione as the major ingredient, is going to help to brighten your skin. If you don't want to go too shade lighter, guys, do not use this body lotion. So make sure you stick with me, because I'm going to teach you guys how to use it. I'm only introducing you guys to the products that we're going to be needing in this routine. We need oils that are going to help to lock in moisture. So I have two options for you guys. Either you get this Vaseline vitamin B3 oil, or you get this Cousin's Baby. I give you guys two options for the lotion, and I'm also giving you guys two options for the oils. So if you can get this, it's very, very good. If you can get the both, it's even better, okay? But if you can't get the both, you can get this or you get this, guys. These oils, any of them, is very, very important. This one contains vitamin B3, which we all know it as niacinamide. It's going to help to brighten your skin and also even out your skin. While this particular Cousin's Baby oil, at the other hand, it contains almond oil as the major ingredient, and almond has very good brightening properties. So guys, the next products you're going to be needing in this particular routine that I want to show you guys is of course a very good scrub. Guys, you're going to get this glove sponge. This particular glove sponge is very important. And you're going to get yourself a very good body polish or scrub. I'll be recommending this particular Dove lavender flavor body polish. Guys, this body polish is very nice. You can actually get the smaller size. It comes in 2 sizes. If you're exfoliating, you need this, okay, you need this. You get yourself a very good scrub. And this, guys, I'm not a fan of salt scrub, disclaimer. I am not a fan of salt scrub. I'm not going to advise anyone to use a salt scrub. That's just the truth. But if you're using a salt scrub and it's working for you, fine and good. But if not, I will advise you to just stay away from anything salt scrub. It's better sugar scrubs or emulsifying scrubs. Now, lastly, what we're going to be needing in this routine is of course a very good sunscreen, and this is the one I'll be recommending for you guys. Remember, this routine is a body routine like I mentioned earlier, so you'll be needing the Hatomugi sunscreen. Guys, get this Hatomugi sunscreen. It's very important. This sunscreen, you can use it both on your face and on your body. But the issue I have with this sunscreen is if you are oily skin, this sunscreen will not be suitable for your face because it contains coconut oil and it is a little bit too greasy on the skin and it might clog your pores if you have an oily skin on the face. But other than that, you can use this sunscreen both on your face and in your body. Now, without taking much time, guys, let me quickly show you guys how you're going to be using this product in order to see results. Let's arrange it into a very suitable skincare routine that you can stick to. Guys, just stick to this particular routine and you're going to see results. So guys, let's start with the exfoliation. You're going to be exfoliating twice in a week with a good body scrub. You must not get the exact same thing, okay? Get the one that you can afford and the one that you can get, but just make sure you're getting a very good scrub. After getting your scrub, you're going to be exfoliating twice in a week. After exfoliating your skin on a Monday, you're just going to go ahead and apply any of your body lotions, okay? If you decide to get the Garnier vitamin C body lotion, fine and good. You apply this first and then you lock it in with any of these oils, guys. Now, that's for the day that you've decided to exfoliate. Sorry, I skipped a particular step. Before you exfoliate, make sure you cleanse your body first, okay? You can cleanse with the pampering shower gel before you exfoliate. Now, let's forge ahead. So after exfoliating, the following day after exfoliating, guys, please pay good attention. What you're going to do is you're going to use this Koji San bar soap to take your bath. Of course, go with this first. Cleanse for the first time with your pampering shower gel. Remember, I always talk about the cleansing. After cleansing with this, you're going to use this Koji San soap to clean your body for the second time. Now, let me teach you how to use it. After getting this soap, guys, don't take the whole pack to the bathroom. Don't do that. You're going to get a knife and then you're going to cut the soap into 3 pieces. You're going to keep 2 in your wardrobe or anywhere that you normally keep your skincare products that you're not currently using. Then you take one of the halves to your bathroom. You're going to lather this soap. After taking your bath with this one, you're going to lather this one that you cut that is in your bathroom in your hand, and then you're going to go ahead and apply it on your body as if you're applying your body lotion and massage it all over your body. Then you allow it to sit for at least, even if it's 1 to 2 minutes. This particular routine is for the night time, so in case you're complaining that you don't have time, okay? So let's continue, guys. You're going to lather it and apply it on your body as if you're applying your body lotion, okay? When you're done, you're going to wash off and then you step out of the shower. Then you apply your body lotion and you top it up with your oil. You're going to love your skin. You're going to see that your skin will start glowing. You're going to get rid of any form of uneven skin. And anytime you're applying your body lotion or exfoliating your skin, guys, always focus on your knuckles areas, okay? focus on your knuckles areas, your elbow, your knees. Always focus on those areas and scrub them well when you're using your scrubs. And when you apply your body lotion, take your time to massage the body lotions, all these things. That's why I prefer all your active ingredients should come in your night routine. At least at night you have all the time to do anything that you want to do on your skin. Any form of uneven skin tone, all the Coke and Fanta that you have will be gone, and you're not going to get any form of stretch mark. Please guys, do not use this soap every day. This soap is to be used 3 times in a week, before I forget. Even the body lotion 3 times in a week, okay? You can use this particular one every day, but this one you can't use it every day. Now, your sunscreen, guys, always apply your sunscreen. Always apply your sunscreen during the daytime. So that brings us to the end of this video, guys. Let me know which of these products you're going to be trying, and let me know if you're using any of the products already and how has it been so far. If you have any questions, feel free and drop it at the comment section. If you've made it to the end of this video, thank you so much for watching, guys. If you're yet to subscribe, please kindly hit the subscription button, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that anytime I upload new content like this, you'll be among the first to be notified. See you guys in our next video. Bye.